Hey everyone, this is Yang from Yangi Trades. In this video, I'm going over the basics of MetaTrader 4. So we're on the App Store right now. I'm just going to download the MetaTrader 4. And then once it's downloading, I'm going to open it and we're going to see the watch list. Now the watch list is going to be your pairs and the quotes. Alright, so going from the left to the right, on the left hand side we see a pencil icon. The pencil icon is to edit the screen. Now if it's too messy, you guys can edit out and erase the pairs, delete the pairs, and you can press the pencil button again to go back to normal. On a simple tab, simple is just the pair and you have your prices. On the advanced, you have the time, the pair, the spread, the low, the high of the day, and then you have your the pricing. Okay, this is going to be your sell price and this is your buy price. On the right hand side, we have you press the plus button, you guys can see a list of currencies that you can add to your watch list. Let's go ahead and let's add a random one, press done, and it's going to show up on your watch list. Heading over from quotes to the chart. On the chart you can see what your pair is doing. So let's say we want to go to GU and we can press chart. It's the same thing as pressing chart over here. You can press chart, and on GU we can see the hourly. Going from left to right, the hourly. This is your time frame. So hourly just means each candle represents 1 hour. You can switch over time frames. Over here is the crosshair. So crosshair is going to give you more accuracy on the pricing. This is the price scale over here. The little F on top in the middle is your indicator list. So the main window and the indicator window. What the main window is the main window where your candles are, and then the indicator window is on the bottom. This is usually where your oscillators are present, or if you want any oscillators you can. If you don't, it's optional. So you can do that, main window, and then here are all your indicators that they have on MetaTrader 4. And then on the indicator window, we have also more indicators. Okay, if you want to delete an indicator, you can just press slide over and press delete. Since we're done with that, you can head back and go on to the next one. Next one is our little shapes or the objects. This is where you the technical analysis tools are found. So you can, here's your trend line, your support and resistance, and to add more objects, they have a variety of technical analysis tools you can use. So we have the Fibonacci, the rectangle is used for zones. That is pretty much all I use in a trend line. Going back, trade. This is where all your where you see people taking pictures of their profits and their entries and whatever, all that stuff. Your balance is how much you have in the account at that time. Equity is if you're up, let's say we're up $1,000 on this $100,000 account, so it's going to be $101,000 floating. So equity is balance plus your floating. Margin, free margin, we're not going to get into that. Heading over to the history, this is going to be your history of trade. So since we haven't placed any trades on our demo yet, it's not going to show anything but the balance. On the week, you can change it to a month or custom. You can also search for the symbol that you trade. Settings. Here in the settings, you guys can change your chart color a lot, just like chart color. If you want the volume, the ask price, all of that stuff, you guys can just explore that in your free time. To add an account, if you guys have an account with a broker and you want to connect it, you would press your MetaTrader 4, you would press the top, and then you will go to the second option and search your broker. So let's say we have a account with Trader's Domain and it's a real account, so we're gonna press real, and they give you your login details. Your account number goes here, and then your trader password goes here. So your trader password is the password you can use to log into your account and trade. The investor password that they give you, either through email or on the website, is for other people to go in and look at your trades. And you will just press sign in and it will update automatically for you. That is it for the beginner's overview of MetaTrader 4. It's a pretty simple video. If you guys want a more in-depth video, you guys can head over to the advanced video for MetaTrader 4. But that is it. If you guys have any questions, you can comment down below. You can reach out to me on Instagram, Twitter, and Telegram. I'll drop the links below for contacts. That is it for things.